5 things you should never tell a man. Yes, there are definitely many things you should never tell a man. If you want to avoid fights, jealousies, rage attacks, and even problems of self-esteem in yourself, it is better that under certain circumstances you keep your mouth shut. Remember the saying, a closed mouth catches no flies. Do you usually screw up quite often with your comments? So, try to remember these 5 things you should never say to your partner, in order to avoid unnecessary fights. 1. Do you think she's cute? If you and your boyfriend cross paths with a woman known to both of you, like a friend, a classmate, a colleague, or whatever, and you notice that he looks at her a lot, never ask him that question. If he says no, you will be angry because you do not believe him. And if he says yes, a fit of rage will come. Better to avoid meaningless worries and make sure nothing happened. 2. When do we meet again? First date with a man you like. You have had a great time, but at the moment of saying goodbye, he still has not hinted at anything for a second meeting. Should you ask him when to meet again? The answer is definitely don't. If he has not told you yet, it is because he is not convinced, so better avoid that uncomfortable moment for you. A man who is truly interested in you will ask you to meet again. 3. Have you slept with her? Do not ask your partner about things from the past. Don't let the ghosts of the past and the insecurities that come with them persecute you eternally. It is not worth it. Look forward, and focus your energy on building a good relationship with him. 4. Am I fat? Now, that is definitely a question that always ends in a fight. If he says no, you'll think he said that so you do not feel bad. And if he says yes, well, let's just say it may not end well. So it would be best to just not ask. Remember that men are attracted to women who are secure and without complexes. Keep those kinds of questions for your best friend. 5. My ex-boyfriend did the same as you. Big mistake. And a serious one. Never, ever make that kind of comparisons between your current partner and an ex. Talking about an ex, in good or bad, means that you are still thinking about him or that you are still angry about him for whatever reason. That will make your partner feel bad or even angry, even if he doesn't show it. Would you like him to compare you with a woman of his past? I bet you would hate it. If you value your relationship and want to avoid an explosive fight over a whole lot of nothing, there are just some things you should never ever say to a guy. If you want to learn how to talk to a man, and to use the power of body language, and other important forms of communication, to create and maintain long-lasting attraction with someone, click on the link in the description, watch my short free presentation, and discover how to use one simple skill to make a man love you forever. Please subscribe to this channel. Share this video with others. Please let us know your opinions in the comments section below.